Hey guys, Aubrey here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm super excited. I wanted to share with you guys some perfumes and scents that I really love at the drugstore. So basically these are like perfumes and body sprays that I have found at the drugstore that are very inexpensive, and if you just want some perfume or some body sprays that don't cost that much and you just want it for like an everyday use, or maybe you want to take it traveling and you don't care if it gets lost or broken and all that good stuff. So these are my top 7 fragrances from the drugstore that smell super good. They're not that expensive and I'm super excited. But before we get started, if you are not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? So yeah, if you guys want to subscribe, you can totally do that down below. You can also hit the bell and that will notify you that next time I post a video, which is always on the weekends. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first fragrance is so amazing. The packaging is so beautiful. This is Fiore, I think that's how you say it. Don't mind me if I'm completely butchering these names, but this is by Vince Camuto, I think so. But this is what the bottle looks like. Look how adorable this is. Like, is that just not the most cutest thing you've ever seen? It has like this little charm on there. It is just so cute. So this one, I can't remember what the price was. I'll have the prices and all of this listed down below in the description if you guys want to check it out. But I want to say it was like on sale at Walgreens for like $25. So that's a really good price for a perfume that smells this delicious. It's kind of like a woodsy, I'm really bad at describing, but it smells fruity. So it's like a fruity, woodsy scent, almost like if you were by sandalwood and in the woods and then you pick some fruit. So it has kind of like this nighttime, sexy, deep smell to it that I think it's perfect for like a date night because it just smells like powerful, but also just feminine and light and airy, but strong at the same time. So this one is a win. The packaging is adorable and it smells really good. It does last for a really long time. This one for me lasts about like 6 hours and I could still smell it for a solid 6 hours. So love. Okay, so the next one I was super excited about. This one has such a cool story. So I'm gonna tell you what it is. This is Jennifer Lopez Luxe, and it has like this really cool like print on the side. I don't know what that is. Is that Cheetah? I don't even know. But it's super cute, right? It has a little spray nozzle and then it's just a square and it has that on top. The bottle is really cute. I love it. I usually shy away from celebrity fragrances because they usually just don't smell very good, to be honest. But I had a sample like tester of this when I worked at a drugstore and I had worn it. It literally lasted like all day, like all 7-8 hours that I worked that day. And one lady came up to me and she was like, "What are you wearing? That smells like a Jo Malone perfume." And I was like, oh, if y'all don't know, Jo Malone, those perfumes are like $220. And she said it smelled just like a specific one. I forgot what she said, which one, but she said it smelled just like that. I'm like, are you kidding me? This little gem smells like a $200 perfume, but this is only like 20 bucks. So, you know, your girl jumped on the bandwagon and totally bought this, and this smells so good, you guys. This has, I remember it said it has like raspberry and musk and vanilla. So if you can kind of like imagine what that smells like, it's very, I think you can wear this daytime and nighttime. It's not too overpowering, but it has like a little bit of like woodsy scent to it, but more like floral. It's very unique. And if you see this anywhere and you can smell it, try it and just buy it. Similar to that one, this is also another Jennifer Lopez fragrance. It came in like a 2-pack for Christmas time. Walgreens always has like combo packs for like fragrance, and you can usually get these fragrances like pretty inexpensive. So it came in a kit of like $22 and you got 2 of these. So this was the second one. So this has like the cheetah print and it's a clear, but really, really cute. This one is a lot more lighter and fresh. I remember when I read what was on it, it said like tangerine and something else. It's just very light. It reminds me of something that's like very spring, very summer. It's just very light and girly. It's not flowery, it's more on the fruity scent, and it's just very light, perfect for the daytime. This as well lasts a full 8 hours, and it smells amazing like throughout each note. So incredible. Okay, and I love the Jennifer Lopez Luxe. It's that black one so much. I have it in the roller ball so that I could take it with me places. That's how serious I am about that fragrance. Okay, so the next one is another roller ball because I heard about this fragrance, but I wasn't 100% sure if I wanted to buy like the full size. I think this one is about $25 or $30. It was at Walgreens that I saw, and this is called Guess Girl Belle. And as you guys can see, it has like a purple tint to it. It is super pretty and it fits perfectly in my purse. So I got this just to try it out. It smells amazing. Oh my gosh, I want to put it on now. Has like, it's definitely more floral, but it's like light. There's a little bit of like just a slight hint of like sandalwood. But this one kind of has like a lighter, sexier scent where it makes you feel like powerful, but also just like light and feminine and airy and springtime. And this one, so good, so obsessed, love it. And this one lasts a little bit longer. I noticed that I could still smell it probably for about like 12 hours on my skin, and it didn't like turn on me, and it still just smelled fresh and light and almost like it was like reapplied, but not as strong. So it lasted a lot longer and I love it. Okay, so now on to like body sprays. This one is actually by InStyle. So basically they have at Walgreens this line. They might have it like elsewhere, but at Walgreens they have this line called InStyle, and it's basically like knockoffs scents of like the higher end stuff, if that makes any sense. Basically they try to mimic like the higher end, and one of my favorite fragrances is Dolce & Gabbana, the light blue. That scent just like, oh, it is seriously one of my favorites. It's not my ultimate favorites, but it smells amazing. It just brings me back good memories, and I really, really love it. So InStyle made like their own version of it, and it smells pretty darn close, you guys. Yeah, never smelt the light blue before by Dolce & Gabbana. To me, it smells like a new car smell. I know that sounds so weird, but it's like a new car smell where it's almost like a sweet leather. That's the impression I get, is like sweet leather. With this scent, it makes me think you're like in a pencil skirt, you got glasses, you're serious, you're taking on the world, all that good stuff, and smelling amazing with a new car smell. But it just smells so good. I love the combination of it. The original one is incredible, but this one is pretty similar, and these are only like 12 bucks. So they have like a whole line of all like different scents that kind of like mock the higher end ones. So you guys should totally check it out. Like I said, it's called InStyle, and they're about like 12 bucks, and I find mine at Walgreens. Dropping things over here. Okay, so next are body sprays. I've showed you guys these before on my channel. This one is by Paris Hilton. I know. Like I said, I try to stay away from the celebrity fragrances, but I smelt this and I needed this 100%. So it's a body mist, and I'm not exactly sure how to pronounce the name of it, so I'm not gonna butcher it. But basically, it's this sparkly pink bottle. I found it at Walgreens. And these I think are like $7 or $8. This one reminds me of like the Victoria's Secret. I forgot the name of it. It's the one in the purple bottle. I think it's called like Romance or something. The one that's like their signature scent that's been around forever. It smells like that. This is very like girly, fruity, like fruit punch. Think Starburst and Skittles. Like that's what it smells like. And I got this because it'd be perfect. I threw it in my gym bag, so when I'm done at the gym, I just spray this on, so it just cancels out all like the sweat smell. And this is amazing. It is a body spray, so it doesn't last as long. It lasts about like 2 hours, like scent wise. Okay, last one. This one is amazing. This is Kenneth Cole, and this is called White for Her. This is amazing, you guys. This one I smelled at first and I didn't like it. and then I went back to it and I was like, oh my gosh, you know what? I think I really do like that. So I also sprayed some on myself to kind of like see if it worked with my body chemistry, and it totally did throughout the whole day. This one lasts about 3 or 4 hours, even though it's still a body mist. Also was at Walgreens. It's like $7 or $8. This one smells a little more like sophisticated. It has a little bit more like vanilla and musk to it, but not like overpowering musk, not like old grandma musk, of like light and airy and a little bit of sweet and like vanilla. So this one is kind of like my sophisticated spray, and I like this for daytime. It also can work, I almost smacked myself in the face. Also can work for nighttime as well, and it lasts a good amount of time. I think it's about like 3-4 hours or so that it lasts, which is pretty nice for a body spray because they usually don't, you know, last as long. But the scent of this is like amazing. I don't know why I'm pitting it. That is all of my like top 7 favorite fragrances from the drugstore that are really inexpensive, but they smell really bomb. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful, and maybe discovered some new fragrances you didn't know about. I have everything linked down below for you guys if you want to check it out. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified the next time I post a video. That's pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys!